Hi, in this video, we are asked to find the value of x, given that a raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 5. So the equation is e raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 5. So the first thing we do here is that we take the natural log of both sides. So the equation becomes ln of e raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to ln of 5. And recall that from our laws of logarithm, if we have log m to the power of p or to base n, this can also be expressed as p multiplied by log m to base n. Thus, we can apply the index rule at the left-hand side. So therefore, we have that this becomes x plus 1 multiplied by ln e equal to ln 5. Now note that ln and e are inverse functions. That means it's just as you writing log e to base t, which is equal to 1. Thus, therefore, ln e is equal to 1. Thus, our equation now becomes x plus 1 is equal to ln 5. So x is equal to ln 5 minus 1. So x is equal to ln 5 is 1.6094 minus 1. So x is equal to 0.6094. Now let's check if our value is correct. So we are given that e raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 5. So e raised to the power of 0.6094 plus 1 is equal to 5. So we have it that this becomes e raised to the power of 1.6094 will be equal to 5. If you punch your calculator, we have that e raised to the power of 1.6094 is equal to 4.99998, and which is approximately equal to 5. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.